Do you have photos with noise and do you think they are useless? Think again. I'm going to show you how you can remove noise in your photos with just one simple click. Besides removing noise, I'm also going to show you how you can increase the quality of your photo. So basically you get an all-in-one tool to remove noise, to make the quality better, and to make the image bigger in resolution. So let's look at this tool. Now the tool that I'm going to use is called ART Image Enhancer. And here you can see I loaded up my photo inside this tool. You can see how much noise this photo got. So this photo looks really useless. It's also pretty small in resolution, so it looks like I can't use this photo, but we're gonna save this photo. We're gonna increase the quality. On the right side, you can see the settings for this photo. And here we can select a hardware to process this photo. I'm using my CPU and GPU. For the AI model, we can see here we have some information about this model. You can also click here to see some more information. Now, for this photo, I want to remove the noise. If we look at the more detailed AI model, you can see here we have denoise. So that's exactly what I want. Now in Real Photo v3, we also have denoise. So the best way to check this is to just try them both and see which one generates better result. So let's use more detail first. And it's already done with processing. And if I move this from right to left, you can see what happens. Look at that. All that noise is gone. This was before and this is after. This is like magic. And on the right side, you can also see we can upscale this photo. Now, as I said, this photo was pretty small and I can just upscale it up to 8K. Let's just have a look at how this works. It's going to process this photo. Here you can see it's downloading the AI models. And then after this is done, it's processed to a 8K photo. And look at that. Look at the quality before, after. So we got a really big photo now. Now, if you want to make your image even sharper, you can use two-pass processing. That means that it's gonna process the photo 2 times, which makes it even sharper if you want super sharp results. But I think for this photo, it's already great. Let's also look at the Real Photo v3 because that was the other one with denoise. And look at that, this one also looks great. So here you just have to pick which one you like most. I like them both. It's pretty difficult to pick, but it's obviously better than the first one like that. So this was pretty much a useless photo, and now we got this. Then we can go to the export settings, and here we can export a photo. We can select from JPEG and PNG. We can select the DPI. You can see we can go all the way to 1000 DPI, and the quality I will keep it at 100. And then I'm just gonna click on single export and it's done with exporting. Now let's do another photo so we can really see that it works on different photos. I'm gonna import this photo and you can see this photo has some noise. And look at that, it's already processed. When I move this to the right, before, look at all that noise, and move it to the left, after, all that noise is gone. Now here we can also select a different model. Let's try more detail and see if this generates better results. I think I like Real Photo better. I have a feeling this is a bit sharper. We can also try two-pass processing to see if this is better to make more details. Let's look at this photo. If we zoom in here, I think we don't even need to do this. I think this looks great. And again, we can go to the export settings and here we can just select what we want. Let's do PNG for this time, and let's keep the DPI at 300 for instance, and the level, let's do maximum. And then I'm gonna go to single export and it's gonna export this photo. Now let's look at the 2 photos we exported. This is the first one and this is the second one, and they both look great without any noise. So that's it. Check the link in the description to try it out yourself, and maybe this will remove noise from your photos. Thanks for watching this video and catch you on the next one.